Hello everyone, what you're going to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics who are working here in the shop with me, so relax, we're going to fix it. If you plug your scanner into your car and see 7E8, the first thing that might cross your mind is, how serious is this? Don't worry, the good news is that 7E8 isn't an actual trouble code. It's more like a label that says, I'm talking to the engine's brain. It's kind of like when someone calls you and their line shows as busy. The number appears, but you don't yet know what the message is. Here's the deal. OBD2 scanners use module addresses to communicate, and 7E8 is specifically the address for the ECM or PCM, that is, the computer that controls the engine. When your scanner shows 7E8, it's really saying, hello, I'm connected to the engine module, and I can read the codes stored here. That's why many owners get confused. They think 7E8 is a fault, when in reality, it's just the entry point. To see the actual problems, you need to go into the 7E8 menu on your scanner. That's where the real codes appear, like P0171 for lean air-fuel mixture, P0300 for random misfire, P0420 for low catalytic converter efficiency, and others. Those are the ones that are actually causing issues and need fixing. Many mechanics here in the shop agree that the biggest confusion comes from using a basic scanner that only shows 7E8, 7E9, the transmission module, or other module addresses without showing the specific codes. It's like opening an envelope and only seeing the outside without reading what's inside. Once you access the actual codes, that's when you can properly diagnose the problem. So, how do you fix this? Simple. You don't fix 7E8 itself because it's not broken. What you do is, first, go into the 7E8 menu to read the actual codes. Second, interpret those codes and address the specific issues, like cleaning sensors, replacing spark plugs, checking vacuum lines, etc. And third, clear the codes and test the car to make sure they don't come back.